Hello to all our lovely friends and loyal followers of the Error Reference channel. We're really happy to be back with another practical tutorial to share our experience with you, just like always. If you also work with virtual machines like VirtualBox, you've probably asked yourself this question. How can I access a folder from my main computer inside the guest operating system and transfer files between them? Whether you want to transfer installer files or run your projects across systems, this tutorial is exactly what you need. Today we'll learn step-by-step how to easily and professionally share a folder between the host system and the virtual machine. I'll also share some tips I discovered while testing, so you won't get confused or make mistakes along the way. Step 1. Creating a shared folder on the host system. The first step is to create a folder on the host main computer. I created a folder in the C drive called Shared Folders. You can use the same path or choose your own name and location. Just remember to keep the folder name simple and without spaces. You can put anything you want to share between systems into this folder. Step 2. Adding the folder to the virtual machine in VirtualBox. Now it's time to add this folder to VirtualBox. Open VirtualBox and click on your desired virtual machine. Go to Settings, then open the Shared Folders section. Click the green plus icon to add a new shared folder. In the window that appears, select the path C Shared Folders. The folder name fills in automatically. You can leave it as is. If you only want to view the files, enable the Read Only option. If you want to edit or add files, uncheck Read Only. Enable Auto Mount so the folder mounts automatically. You can leave the mount point empty, and the system will assign a drive letter automatically. Finally, click OK to save the settings. Step 3. Running the virtual machine and checking the shared folder. Start your virtual machine and log into the guest windows. Open File Explorer. If everything went right, you should see a new drive named Shared Folders. Important note: if you don't see the shared folder, guest editions might not be installed. From the top menu, go to Devices. Insert Guest Edition CD image. A virtual CD will be mounted in the guest system. Run the file vboxwindowseditions.exe or setup.exe. After installation, restart the system. Now open File Explorer again and check for the shared folder. Summary: with this method, you can easily share files between the virtual machine and the host system. No need for USB drives or manually moving files back and forth. This method is very useful for developers, testers, and even regular users. In the end, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you'd like to learn the manual method without auto mount, let me know in the comments. And as always, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Until the next tutorial, goodbye for now. From the Error Reference team,